Hello YouTube modeling community, welcome back to another video. Today we got a real nice car, old school Monogram 91 ZR-1. The kit's from the 90s. I found it at my local shop. He always has a bunch of cool stuff in there. Old Monogram, Richard Petty stuff from like the 70s, I don't know. It's cool. But it being a Monogram kit, everything fit together except I broke part of the steering up here in the front and it wouldn't go in right, so I just cut it and decided not to deal with it. But other than that, no fit issues. Everything went together super nice. Parts are all super nice. There was very little flash on anything. I think the most I had was a little ring around the steering wheel, and one of the wheel backs had some. But getting into the kit itself, the instructions are very clear. All of that is super nice. The interior, if you can see in there, is super detailed parts. All sorts of nice stuff. Lots of little bits and pieces. And I didn't get the dash line quite perfectly up, but that's just fine. Seats go in nice. The driver's seat is actually loose because I dropped the whole model while I was trying to get the steering to go in right, and a bunch of the engine bay pieces got knocked around and the seat came loose. I can't get any glue down on the base of the seat, but it also can't fall out, so it's fine. But my girlfriend painted the seats and the door panels, not the little details on the door panels, but just the painting itself, brush paint. They look real nice. So, moving into the engine bay now. Hood's a little tight to open, but it all flips forward. It doesn't stay up on its own very well, but it does all flip up, and I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it off right now. Or try to anyhow. It's not coming off. But engine bay, everything goes together super nicely in here. Couple decals. The decals were a little yellowed, but they did end up turning out pretty nice. Everything fits together super nice in here. But that's just Monogram for you. Underneath is really nothing that special. Once again, everything fits together really nice. I struggled with the rear suspension because I put everything together except the axle, and then I had to kind of wedge it in there, but it goes together nice. The exhaust is got the stock manifolds run to the center section of it, and then behind right here is another piece. It all fits together super nice. Brake discs up there, they all go on super nice. It's a great kit. And that's really it for the kit. If you find one of these and want to build it, I'd highly recommend. I picked this one up for 15 bucks, still sealed in the plastic. The clear part was a little scratched and dinged by the time I got it out of the box from just being shook around for so many years. But that's just fine. And to get the mirror finish on the roof, I painted the underside of it with satin black. Because the front window, the roof, the back window, it's all one piece. I just masked everything off and sprayed it black underneath. And that's going to do it for the model itself. And now on to a little kind of workshop update, because I got some new shelves, and I don't know, it's kind of neat. This is the new shelf situation. I got all my paints, everything labeled, tools, empty jars, sandpaper, Dremel safety glasses, thumbtacks are up there, glues, putties, and this is the stuff I use for salt chipping old rusty models. But that's really all there is to it. I also got a little stash ad over here, if I can get out of this little bench. I found this at a toy show. Slightly older 71 Charger kit. And I thought I'd like Chargers. I really like the 68 to 70 Chargers. 68 and 69 are my favorite of that. I think this is probably
weirdest looking Charger generation ever. They're kind of ugly, but I really like them, so I'm going to build this up. I'm probably going to do a circle track car or something with it. I don't know. I'll figure that out when I get to it. But that's going to do it for this video. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.